Hello everyone, welcome you all back. And successfully we have completed the chapter Cell the Red of Life. And what we'll be doing now is we'll be solving the questions. Okay, as I've already told you earlier that once the question almost the videos are done, you people please go visit all the videos, okay, understand everything, and then you are going to come to this video, okay, or else simply watching this will not make any sense. So we are going to do today about the previous year question papers, okay. So we'll see which were the questions which were asked in previous years. So you will get an idea. Now what you'll be doing is that I'll be writing question. However, we don't have any other option now. So I'll be writing question as well as I'll be writing options. So you will pause the video and take the answer for yourself. Before I could tell you the answer, you will find out yourself whether you have understood the concept or no. Okay, like that you will self revise yourself along with these questions. Even you will be solving with me. Okay, so we'll start then. Be ready. Okay, so here the first question. Everything I think I'll be writing with black. You understand it? So the first question comes like this. The first question. So I'll be writing the heading also, that previous year questions. How much is possible, that much we'll try to solve, okay. And the first question is cell organelle containing hydrolytic enzymes. Cell organelles containing hydrolytic enzymes are, okay, the options are like this: lysosomes, microsome, C is ribosome, and D is mesosomes. Yes, tell me what will be the answer. What could be the answer? Pause the video. Okay, see what can be the answer among that. Cell organelle containing hydrolytic enzymes. See, we have already talked about this hydrolytic enzymes. Hydrolytic enzymes, with the help of water and in acidic pH, okay, those enzymes will cleave all the waste materials in the cell. That we have already done. So where these enzymes are found? Are they found in mesosomes? What are mesosomes? Mesosomes are nothing but, in prokaryotic cell, the plasma itself, in the prokaryotic cell, you will find this type of inclusions, right? Like this, invaginations of plasma membrane is called mesosomes. Ribosome is a cell organelle which is important for protein synthesis. What about microsomes? I told you microbodies can also be called as microsomes. Then what is the answer? Lysosomes. And lysosomes, this is the answer. Lysosomes are also called as what? They are also called as suicide bags of the cell. Why they are called like this? Because of this function only, no? They have hydrolytic enzymes. Whichever organelle is not working, it will help in destroying that. Always, sometimes even if cell is not working properly, the whole cell also will be destroyed, right? So that is a function of lysosome. So the answer is lysosome. Take down. Okay. Coming to the next question. Shall I have this now? Fine. So let us see the second question now. The second question is, select the mismatch. Second question is, select the mismatch. Okay, you have to find out which is the one which is mismatch. First one is gas vacuoles, green bacterial cell. Second option is large central vacuole, and then animal cell. C option is protists, eukaryotes. Last option is methanogens, prokaryotes. What you need to do here? You have to mismatch. I mean, you have to find out which is the mismatch. That means all the ones what you are finding here is correctly matched. Only one is mismatched here. So you have to find out which one it is. Go through the question properly. What can be the answer for this? Yes, we'll go from here. Methanogens and prokaryotes. What is the link? See, methanogens, these are nothing but a kind of archaebacteria. You know, archaebacteria and eubacteria. Eubacteria are true bacteria. Archaebacteria are extreme bacteria which can survive extreme conditions. Alva? Archaebacteria again has different categories. Methanogens, halophiles, acidophiles, thermophiles. In that, methanogens are those archaebacteria which actually, you know, produce methane gas. Alva? So these are prokaryotes, no? Obviously, this is correct one. This match is correct. Coming to protist, they are eukaryotes. Yes, obviously. All the bacteria are monorems. All those bacteria are prokaryote. Living bacteria, every other cell is eukaryote. So, protista come under eukaryote. This is also a correct match. Large central vacuole and animal cell. Think. Large central vacuole they are talking about. They are not just talking about vacuoles. Vacuoles are found in both animal as well as plant cell. But the large central vacuole in plant cell, if you see, in plant cell, you have this large central vacuole. Whereas in animal cell, do you find this large central vacuole? No. So this is a mismatch. This is a mismatch. So they are asking the mismatch. So this will be the correct answer. What about this? Gas vacuoles are found in green bacterial cell. Yes, they are found in green bacterial cell. So all the other matches are correct. And which is wrong? This is wrong. So what is the answer? They have asked a mismatch. So this is the answer. Answer B is right. Take it out. Hope so people are understanding properly. Are you able to see it? Okay. What about next question? We will see the third question now. If any doubts you have in this, please you can comment and ask me. I'll be answering you. But see that you prepare and then come to this video. Third question now. The third question is microtubules are the constituents of, okay, option B, spindle fiber, cilia and centrioles. Okay, option B is centriole, spindle fiber, chromatin. Option C is centrosome, nucleosome and centrioles. Option D is cilia, flagella and peroxisomes. Find out what is the question. Microtubules are the constituents of. What are microtubules? Microtubules are nothing but they are nothing but the type of what? They are a type of cytoskeleton. So now tell me what is the answer. So where all you will find this? Microtubules. That is the question, right? So see here. What is the question? Microtubules are constituents of. Microtubules, you know, they are nothing but the cytoskeleton. So where you will find the cytoskeleton? Particularly microtubules. So here you have to find out where it is found. All this you have to see. Spindle fiber, yes. Microtubule itself is called spindle fiber. Cilia, yes, cilia will have microtubules. Centrioles, yeah, centrioles also have this microtubule. You know the structure of centriole. Now coming to this, centriole, spindle fiber, chromatin. Here, microtubules are not found in chromatin. So this cannot be the answer. Centrosome, nucleosome, centriole. Centriole mein irutte. Okay, centrosome has centriole, so this also can be considered. But nucleosome is what? Histone octamer in DNA. I have told you in that already in the previous video. So this also cannot be the option. What about this? Cilia, flagella is right. Peroxisomes. Peroxisome doesn't have any kind of microtubule. So this also is not the answer. What is the answer then? Answer is A. Spindle fiber, cilia and centrioles have microtubules. Take down. Done? We'll go to the next question then. Okay. Coming to question number 4, Alva. Yes. Question number 4. Question number 4 is match the following. Match the following. You need to match correctly. Okay. So here it is thylakoid. And here it is disc shaped sacs in Golgi bodies. Next, B is cristae, and for cristae it is condensed structure of DNA. C is cisternae, and cisternae is flat membranous sacs. In stroma. And D is chromatin in foldings in mitochondria. Okay, find out the answer. It's raining heavily here. Okay, so what will be the answer here? Match the following. See, thylakoid, which one is you have to match? Okay, now let us go with the easy thing. Now you know what is chromatin? Chromatin is condensed structure of DNA. Correct? Coming to cisternae, cristae, idral confusion ilbardu. Cristae you know very well. Cristae is what? Infoldings in mitochondria. Right? Coming to thylakoid and then cisternae. Thylakoid, it is a flat membranous sacs in stroma. Correct alva? Thylakoid, itara thylakoids ella seri enagutte, grana agutte. Correct? Then coming to cisternae. Cisternae is disc shaped sacs in Golgi bodies. Alva? So A with D. A is D. What about B? Sorry. A is what? A is C. B is D. C is A. And then what? D is B. Correct, Alva? Take down, please. Okay. Now let us see the next question. Okay, I hope it is clear and it is easy also for you now. Once you have understood the concept, all these questions becomes easy only. Yes, coming to the next question, let us see. Question number 5, right? Fifth question is cellular organelles with membranes. Cellular organelles with membranes. Which are the organelles with membranes you have to tell. So the first option has nuclei, ribosomes, mitochondria, then chromosomes, ribosomes and endoplasmic reticulum. I'll be writing ER. Okay. Then coming to endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes and nuclei. Then the last one is lysosomes, Golgi apparatus, and then mitochondria. So what is the question? Try to understand the question properly. What is the question? Cellular organelles with membranes. Which are the organelles? Okay, which has membranes? That you need to tell. Think properly and then answer. Which has membrane, which doesn't have membrane? So here with membranes, okay, they are asking with membranes. So here you see from where we'll go with here. Nucleus has membrane. Nuclei is plural of nucleus. However, it has membrane. It has double membrane. Ribosome has membrane or no? Mitochondria, it has double membrane. What about ribosomes? You know very well, ribosomes are those organelles which do not have membrane. That is why we know that prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, they both in common, they have ribosomes. Other membrane bound organelles are not present in prokaryotes. Only ribosome is present. So wherever in this option ribosomes are there, that cannot be the answer because they are asking with membrane. So ribosome is here, so this cannot be the answer. Here also ribosome is there. Here also ribosome is there. So all these three cannot be the answer. This is what you can say, easy way of answering. Time consume kami agata. Coming to this, directly we'll go to this. Now find out lysosomes. Yes, it has only single membrane. Golgi apparatus also has membrane. What about mitochondria? It has double membrane. So answer is what? Answer is D. Okay. Ribosome doesn't have membrane. That is why all these three options are wrong. Take them. Okay. Now question number 6. Question number 6. So what is question number 6? Again it is match the following. Question number 6. Again it is match the following. Okay. So here it is centriole, infoldings in mitochondria, okay. B is chlorophyll, thylakoids. C is cristae, nucleic acid. Okay, then D is ribozymes, basal body of cilia and flagella. Try to match it properly. Okay, now so see here, easy method. Which one you know, you have to find out, alba. So see here, easy, what you can do, you know thylakoids. Thylakoids and chlorophyll, correct, no? Thylakoids, chlorophyll is present within thylakoid membrane, that is correct one. Coming to cristae and centriole, you know that basal body of cilia and flagella is what? Basal body is centriole only, alva. So A is what? A is D, you know it very well. Chlorophyll, B is B, you know that. What about cristae? Cristae is, if this is mitochondria, this is how you will find this foldings in the mitochondria, and this is called what? This is called cristae only, no? So cristae is what? In foldings in mitochondria. So C is A. What about ribozymes? So ribosome is nothing but a nucleic acid, alva. So D is what? This is C, no? D is C, right? This is the answer. You have to find out the easiest way to answer, wherein you should not take more time. We will see next question. Question number 7. So question number 7 is like this. Question number 7. Which structure performs the function of mitochondria? Performs the function of mitochondria in bacteria. Bacterial idirutta? Mitochondria irutta bacteria alli? Yes? Think. Now, they are asking which structure performs function of mitochondria in bacteria. The options are like this: nucleoid, cell wall, ribosomes, then mesosomes. Think over it. Which one? See here, nucleoid enidu, nucleoid bacteria nalli, it is a region where this circular, large circular DNA is present. Cell wall, you know, cell wall is there. Okay, for bacteria, it is made up of peptidoglycan. Ribosomes, again in bacteria also the function of ribosome is protein synthesis. What are mesosomes? You will find that in bacterial cell you have this structure like, yes or no? What we call them? We call them as mesosomes. What is their function? Like in mitochondria, they have this cristae. In the same way, you find this mesosomes here and there in the bacterial cell. So that function of mitochondria in prokaryotes, that is in bacteria, because they don't have any kind of mitochondria or all other organelles, they have this mesosomes which function as what? Mitochondria in prokaryotes. So answer is mesosomes. Okay, coming to the next question. Question number, okay, question number 8. Okay, question number 8 is like this. Which of these organelle cell organelle does not contain what? Does not contain ribosome. Which of this organelle does not contain ribosome? ಯಾವ organelle ಅಲ್ಲಿ ribosome ಇರಲ್ಲ. Okay. So the options are rough endoplasmic reticulum, chloroplast, Golgi apparatus, then mitochondria. Which of this will not have ribosome? Now what is the function of ribosome? Function of ribosome is protein synthesis alva. Now in which of this organelle ribosomes are not found? That is the question. Okay, so here you know very well, rough endoplasmic reticulum is called rough because it has ribosome. So this cannot be the answer. Chloroplast, you know, chloroplast and mitochondria, both of these are called semi-autonomous organelles because they have ribosome, they have their own DNA. So they have ribosomes, both of these, 70S ribosomes. So these also cannot be the options. What is remaining? Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus, it doesn't have any ribosome, right? So the answer is Golgi apparatus. Stay down. Next question. Question number 9. Fine. Please pause the video and then you can take down. It takes a lot of time for me to write questions, options as well. Okay, and explain again. Okay, so question number 9 is major site for lipid synthesis. Where you will find synthesis of lipid in the cell. Options are like this: RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, Symplast, nucleoplasm, yes, ER. Think fast. Lipid elli synthesize agutte. See here. Rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosome, so proteins are synthesized here. So this is not the right answer. Symplast, apoplast pathway is ee chapter alli baroda illa. So this is not the right answer. Nucleoplasm is a liquid present in the nucleus alva. So there this function is not done. So this is not the right answer. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum doesn't have ribosome and smooth endoplasmic reticulum function is lipid synthesis. So the answer is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Many times I have told you. Coming to the 10th question. Question number 10. The solid linear cytoskeletal element having 6 nm diameter and made up of single type of monomer. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೈಟೋಸ್ಕೆಲಿಟನ್ ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಯೂಲ್, ಬಿ ಇಸ್ microfilament, C is intermediate, D is what? Lamins. Think over it. So see here, The solid linear cytoskeleton element having 6 nm and made up of single type of monomer. Single type of monomer and takshana gottagbeku. Microtubules, they have dimer of what? Alpha tubulin and beta tubulin alva. And intermediate filaments, it has various proteins it is made up of. So coming to the only one, which one? Microfilament, and it is not hollow also, it is a solid structure alva. So the answer will be what? Microfilament. And also they have given 6 nm, you know, intermediate, and the largest one is microtubule and very small is microfilament, no? So 6 nm comes in this only, so around range, okay, 6, 7, 8 nanometer is microfilament diameter. So the answer is microfilament.